Guys, so today is the 13th of July and I wanted to give you guys an update. So I told you guys last we put an offer in on the house and we got it. We got the house we wanted. No bidding wars. So yeah, we're so excited. So now we have to do like the inspections and appraisals and all that stuff. So trying to get through that. I feel so bad for CJ because he's gonna have to like pack up the whole house by himself. Yeah, so I will talk to you guys later. I just wanted to give you guys that quick update. I'm about to do some work in the bed, from the bed. So yeah, I'm gonna put my hair up and get some work done. Talk to you guys later. Do you want to talk? You want to vlog? Huh? Yes or no? Come get it.
Hi guys.
Tell them. Use your words.
It's weekend.
It's not. It's Friday.
Friday. So I got this.
Come over here.
And total back in, and that is.
Do you like your new house?
Good. It's good and everybody. And bye guys.
No. What did you say? Do you like your new house?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
Blue.
Blue. Yeah, your walls are blue. You're gonna have to color your. We don't have to paint. Not color. Paint your walls.
Yeah. Bye. She doesn't.
I said, what was your favorite part?
Blue.
Blue. Blue what?
Blue.
The walls?
Mm-hmm.
How is that your favorite part when you say you want pink walls?
Blue.
You don't want pink walls?
Blue.
Alright, you're being weird. Bye. What? Hi guys. They say hi guys.
Hey, crazy.
Say hi guys.
No.
Babe, if you don't say hi guys like Taylor, they're gonna get you.
I'm over here, man.
Y'all, you stressed out.
I'm on the edge.
We are at Target. We're about to do our baby registry. I told you guys the update. We got the house that we wanted. Well, we put a contract on the house we wanted, but of course there's a long process that we have to go through before we can, you know, close and everything like that. So today is our inspection day and we are a little nervous, just a little nervous because we don't know what they're gonna come back with. We don't know if it's like super concerning. We don't know. So that's what we are. And we did our inspection yesterday and everything was good except like there was like one thing that I would consider a major concern. So we'll talk about that later. But CJ's nervous and I'm telling my baby, no, don't be nervous because we are children of God. He got us. We're okay. Yeah, so we're about to go in Target. Y'all, I literally, like, I'm not walking through I can't, like, I legit cannot walk through the store. I even have my sneakers on, but I'm not. I have to get the little scooter joint. Like, my back hurts so quick.
So we both gonna need one of them.
So I'm gonna get me a little scooter thing. And that's what we're gonna use. I feel like I have something in my eye. What's in my eye? Y'all see it? Y'all see it? But anyway, I'm about to go in here. I am so hungry. Let me see if she knows. Alright, let me I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get inside. Y'all eat this stuff? Look at this stuff you eating. I think that's so nasty.
That's Western. I don't know what to call them, but like man something. They good though.
Mandarin?
Yeah, like why you trying to play me? They good.
They look nasty though. They're like just sitting in that water. What y'all think?
It's not water, it's like juice. Like
yeah, it's just sitting in that juice. Hey girl.
But you eat
I eat what?
pig feet.
I do not eat no pig feet. I do not. I can't. That's like straight up skin. Oh, I'm so hungry. Okay, babe, do a boomerang of me vlogging so we can let them know we're vlogging.
A what?
A boomerang.
I gotta get my mind right. Like
He gotta get his mind right, y'all. He's just all over the place.
I probably gotta sit in this car for about a good 5 minutes.
Okay, as long as you keep the hair on. It's hot. Not hot, but hot. That's gonna be me and Taylor and Camden, babe. Look at this girl. I would show y'all, but she like so far. Look, ain't it gonna be us?
No.
No? Why?
I was just telling them like it's too hot.
What, for me to be having him on my chest like that? Yeah, she wearing him right now. And this, I mean, but he's gonna be here in the fall. It's gonna be hot then. He always gotta be like no. Like he always wanna be like no to me.
Somebody gotta say no to you.
Whatever. Not you.
Yeah.
You're supposed to be a yes man.
Nope.
So we're about to go in Target. I don't have a list.
Zoomed in on your tail. Like, can you zoom out? Looks like the door was open.
See, this is the thing. The back door was open, but the thing is, CJ, we can see, like with our alarm system, them on the porch, them in the house and stuff like that. So he's nervous. Like every time he's trying to listen to their conversation and stuff while they're on the porch. He's trying to like. He's trying to like see them in the house, like so he can see what they looking at and stuff.
The door was open.
They opening all the doors. He like, oh my gosh. And we get notifications every time like a door is open or a window. We don't get a lot of notifications. You might as well turn that off.
I'm not doing that. Let me see what's going on.
Did you do my boomerang?
Yeah, I jumped too like close in.
Let me help him.
Yeah.
Why are you vlogging?
Yeah, looking like that.
I can't walk. I can't. It's too much walking. Alright, babe, go. Alright. So, boy moms, did your son use a pacifier? Yes or no? I know Taylor did. But you don't like any of these backpacks, diaper bags? What are you scanning that for? That's for big kids, babe.
Wait, man.
This is for after they turn 1.
Crazy, man. What are you talking about?
This boy. He needs this though, for real, babe. The little headrest thing, harness.
He don't need that.
Yes, he did. Or actually, no, don't. Cause Taylor's came with one. Do you want to get the mirror thing like Taylor had? You didn't? I did. Cause that was so scary. Give me one of these back breastfeeding things.
But,
You use that though.
what?
The seat protector.
I didn't use it.
You didn't? Yeah, get me that black and white one. You think he work here, y'all?
You right.
And they even had a flash, the night lights up there now. So when it's dark and you try and check on them, you can see it.
Cool. That's nice.
See, they always updating stuff.
Maybe I had this right now.
What else? More bibs. I don't like those. I don't like those.
Why not?
Those. Y'all, he can't bend over like that because he's been having back problems for real. So I'm sorry. He dropped that and didn't pick it up. This one, babe, with the little hippos.
I don't like that.
Why? It's cute.
They have a baby coffee maker.
Y'all. I still feel exhausted sitting in this chair. All right, let's see. But you gonna give him the little clip things to hold the pacifier in place?
You see him?
Yeah. They go mustache one right there. Those are cute. No, the mustache one. A lot of people must be having boys. But now I see they have literally everything for little girls. Like everything. And not much at all for boys. I'm not salty though because I already have a girl. So I've been, you know, I experienced that. But
Oh, you talking?
whatever. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. So, what is this? Wipes? You want to pick the wipes? What kind of wipes? We weren't picky with wipes. What's that? Taylor had this one. Oh yeah. Go ahead and get that. Babe, get the one we had. Well, where is it? We had this one right here. Cause no, we don't. Taylor used to. No, listen to me.
No, you listen to me.
I like this one because it has a little cooler on the back. And I was able to, like, if we go somewhere, you can take the cooler.
What happened to the one we had?
Taylor started playing, well, Miss Kim kept it.
There you got out.
Remember?
Somebody just came to my house and pulled it. I know on us.
We back home. Did y'all hear what he said? This boy is crazy, like for real. He get on my nerves. We're back home now though. CJ like trying to check everything, like his check-in, like they left notes or something for us. They ain't gonna tell us what they gonna do.
I've left things undone, so I know somebody mess with it.
Babe, whatever. So yeah, they checked everything. But babe, I think it only showed, I don't know. Dang, that's disrespectful. He gonna just leave the joint up? He just left the daggone blinds up? You just gonna leave the blinds up? So he checked, I know he checked that window, but did he check the others? Cause we get, I feel like we should've got a notification. Whew, y'all, when I walk for a long period of time, my stomach gets tight. It gets so tight. All right, it's like, I don't know why we looking around like it's like something gonna pop out like, hey, this was something that was wrong. But I don't know, we just a little nervous, y'all. Just a little bit. What's that? Syrup. So we about to chill out. We have some calls later on this evening. And yes. Whew, I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. This boy getting big, y'all. He is getting big. Alright. I wonder did he go up here in the attic? We've never been in this attic. Bye. Okay. He's still checking stuff, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I'm about to chill with my husband. Oh, and Taylor is at my parents' house. If you guys are wondering, like, where's Taylor? Like, why is she not talking to us? She's at my parents' house. Oh, she was so excited to go there. So that's where she is. I washed my hair yesterday. Much needed. It was just looking so dry and brittle. And I used the Aussie Moist. Yeah, it was, oof. I hadn't used that in a long time. And the way it just melted in my hair, honey. Like, woo. Needed it. So, I love that. I'm about to, like, go ham using it. And it's, like, really cheap. So go get you some Aussie Moist. I don't know about the other ones. All I know about is the Moist one. Do you think they went up in that attic over there? In my closet? Hey y'all, so we are laying here. CJ got a movie going for us. I just helped a girl get started. My scarf right there. She's from back home. Back home meaning 757. Newport News to be exact. So it was very exciting to talk to her. She's sweet and I'm so excited for her to get started with her business and stuff. I feel so much better Y'all saw in the like, I don't know if it was the last vlog, one of the vlogs, I told you I was like kind of a little stressed out with everything that was going on. But I feel good. I just told TJ I feel so good, like about everything. About him. I always feel good about my husband though. But about the house situation, he's smiling. He trying to smile, y'all.
What you talking about, man?
He like. But about the house situation, about my babies, both of them. Like we are so freaking blessed. Like we're so blessed. We're so blessed. So yeah, we're so blessed.
Girl.
We are about to watch a movie on Netflix. It's a Netflix film called How It Ends. So let's see how it ends. And we'll talk to you guys later. And Taylor, she's still at my parents' house. She was able to go to Chuck E. Cheese today. Like I'm so happy for her. I know she's excited. She loves Chuck E. Cheese, and she's been, like I said, so cooped up in the house. I haven't been able to take her out and stuff. So I know she really, really needed this. So I'm so glad that she got to get away. So yeah, talk to y'all later. Bye. We forgot to give you guys the letter for this vlog. The letter for this vlog is N.
N as in Nancy.
N as in Nancy. The last letter was M as in Mary. The first letter was D as in Daniel.
D as in Delta.
No. Bye, y'all.